Okay, let's start this one back. Let's start this one over. So I'm going to do the yellow first, and just the 1 plus 0.12 over 4. That's 1.03. Okay. To the 4t. Now I'm going to put 19,445 divided by 6349 into the calculator. I'm going to get 3.062687. I don't know why these pens don't work. I've been working with it all year, right? 3.062687. All right, now the t is in the exponent, so we are going to natural log both sides. Once you do that, then the 4t can come down to the front, and then we're going to divide by natural log 1.03. So I already have 3.062687 in my calculator, so I'm going to hit natural log second answer, and then I'm going to press enter, and that's what the top of that is. And then I'm going to divide by natural log 1.03 and get 37.866 equals 4t, because remember there's still a 4t right there. To do that, we're going to divide by 4, and we get 9.466. Now, bear with me for just a second. We are talking about years and we're talking about months, right? So obviously it's 9 years. But what is 0.466 in months? Well, it's less than half. So it's not going to be, maybe not 6 months. It could be 5 months. Just don't know just quite yet. So we are going to, I'm going to erase this real quick. So I'm going to subtract 9, because this number is already in the calculator, and get 0.466 ... right? Okay. What we're going to do is take this decimal and multiply it by 12. Now, why do you think, I forgot to, just a second, in my calculator I forgot to subtract the 9. So divide by 12, minus the 9, and then times 12. There we go. Okay. Why do we think we're going to multiply by 12? Because I want to know how many months is 0.466. And we get 5.599. And since we're going to round to the nearest month, I was wrong, because it's 5.5, it's going to be 6 months, because we're rounding. So 9 years and 6 months. Yes, I know, don't kill me. All right, last one. Debbie deposited $391 into a new savings account that earns interest compounded annually. After 5 years, the balance in the account was $778. What was the interest rate on the account? Round to the nearest 0.1%. Okay, deposited, so that's our P, that's our principal. We want the interest rate, so I do not know R. Compounded annually, so our N is 1, and our N is 1 in 5 years. So 5 years, after the 5 years, we're going to have $778. Okay. So we're going to divide by 391. 778 divided by 391, 1.989 equals 1 plus r to the 5th power. Okay. Now, r is inside, right? And we have an exponent. To undo an exponent, we root whatever the exponent is. So since this is to the 5, we are going to 5th root that number. So 5, second, housetop, second, answer. So I can not have a rounded number. So 1.1475 equals 1 plus r minus a 1. We get 0.1475 equals r. And we're rounding to the nearest tenth of a percent. The percent is 4.75. So the 5 is going to change the 7 to an 8. So 14.8%.